one.
Go. Right.
Sporting KC will be going from left to right as you look at your screen, where it's chested down by Johnny Russell. Overlap to Zusi. Halfway to Cam Duke. Out wide now, Johnny Russell with the left foot. Shot.
And watching them do it.
Udi Russell. Now Russell wearing the captain's band, chipping it into the channel for his team to create one of the most electric atmospheres in all of Major League Soccer. And here's a foul on Cam Duke as he'll go in the referee's notebook, taking down Ryan Flood from behind that time.
But you know the style that they want to play. What Josh Wolf is there, they have an identity. Yes, it wasn't perfect, but they can.
Maybe that's one of those things that Ndembe cutting it back for Duke, and Duke is denied by a diving save by Ben Lunt. Or was that blocked off the line actually before it got to Lunt? What a play.
Thing is, I don't care right now in preseason about whether that ball went in the back of the net or not. What I care about was this interchange and the way that Sporting created this opportunity, because that is what you can replicate throughout the season, because that was excellent.
A couple of Academy products, homegrown players, and Caden and Pierre and Jake Davis on the right-hand side now.
And Nate, I got to correct you, Indiana University. Just
I beg your pardon. I beg your pardon. Boy,
I'm
lucky you didn't throw me out of the booth for pace up that right-hand side. He'll be the understudy to Graham Zusi, most likely this season.
Players and Caden Pierre on the right back spot. So much potential.
Which was in the Slovak players.
I do think, too, it's important to young players. Out of that, right?
Yeah.
Do you think, though, referee, there was some contact there, which
come the closest to finding that second goal for Sporting KC. Again, Sweat clipping it in. Dangerous ball there, headed away by Flood. Now Pierre. Pierre on the right-hand side. Nice ball through for Davis, but Dave.
Good performance throughout that game. Second group still figuring some things out.